So good morning, and we are at the Hendon Driving Test Center, and we're doing a mock test for the student here who's got a test at 12:28 in Hendon. And the set now I have set here for the driving test route. So initially for the test is like for the test purpose, you only been given a sat nav for half of the test. So the full test will be not given on the sat nav, it's just the half of the test. Now half of the time, if it's not a sat nav, then they will give you the instruction. But just today, be more practice of the sat nav. We're going to run the whole test route on the sat nav itself. Okay? If I like you to pull up left or right or give you any sort of other instruction other than the sat nav, then I will let you know in a plenty of time. If not, then you will be driving as normal. If the direction on the road or marking tells you otherwise.
Okay.
Drive on when you're ready, and you're turning left from here, and then sat nav will start speaking with you shortly. And we take this next road on the right, and then sat nav is going to start telling you the next instruction. So turning right from here. So this is not a roundabout, it's just a normal junction now anymore. Turning right.
You will arrive at your destination at 8:47. After 90 yards, go right on the roundabout and take the third exit, Heritage Avenue. Then, at the end of the road, turn right. Go right on the roundabout and take the third exit. Then, at the end of the road, turn right. Turn right, Graham Park Way. After 200 yards, go right on the roundabout and take the second exit, Buns Lane, then turn left. Go right on the roundabout and take the second exit, then turn left. After 200 yards, turn left, Flower Lane. Turn left. At the end of the road, turn right, A5100, the Broadway, then go left on the roundabout and take the first exit, A1, Watford Way. Turn right, A5100, the Broadway, then go left on the roundabout and take the first exit, A1, Watford Way. Go left on the roundabout and take the first exit. Cross the roundabout and take the second exit, A41, Edgware Way. Then take the second left. Cross the roundabout and take the second exit, then take the second left.
It's controlled by traffic light, it's red light.
After 300 yards, turn left, Stonefields Lane.
Next one on the left. Please.
Turn left. At the end of the road, turn right, A5100, Hale Lane. Then take the third left.
Where are we driving right now?
In the middle.
Why? Go.
Turn right, then take the third left. Turn left, Farm Road. At the end of the road, turn right, A5109, Dean's Lane. Turn right. After 300 yards, cross the roundabout and take the second exit, Orange Hill Road. Cross the roundabout and take the second exit, Orange Hill Road. After 300 yards, turn left, Watling Avenue. After 80 yards, turn left, Watling Avenue. Turn left. 300 yards, turn right, Montrose Avenue. Turn right. After 200 yards, go left on the roundabout and take the first exit, Lanacre Avenue. Go left on the roundabout and take the first exit. At the end of the road, turn left, Graham Park Way, then take the second right. Turn left, then take the second right. After 100 yards, turn right, Heritage Avenue, then go left on the roundabout and take the first exit. Go left on the roundabout and take the first exit, Boulevard Drive.
on the left hand side. Actually, no.
After
Carry
80
on, carry
yards, go left on the roundabout and take the first exit, Aviation Drive, then turn left.
We cross the road and go straight ahead, so we don't disturb anybody else. Go straight ahead. Okay, now slow it down, slow it down. Pull over on the left side anywhere, please, with a proper signal.
Okay. Like
Just here, yeah,
here?
just here.
Okay.
That's it, stop. And secure the car. You can switch off the engine as well. Well, yeah, that's the end of your test.
Mm-hmm.
Tell me, how did we do? One major, where is it?
When the roundabout had traffic light and I didn't notice it.
It's dangerous actually.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I have to bruise my brake, otherwise we would have collision. Traffic coming from the right hand side. Yep. Anything else you think that you like to see as a major, or this is the only one?
No, I think this was the only major.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay. Now, I have recorded all your faults in the event of they have occurred. Now, I mean, it's very sad to say, but there are very less minors. But then, whatever happened, they all are majors.
Is it?
Yes. Okay. In nature, they are in a major. Okay. So I'll explain how they're going to affect you as a driver. So first thing first is, throughout the driving, your normal driving position, we call it NRP, is not in your lane. Okay. So yeah, it's all record. It's going to record it anyway. So you can yeah, you can use this later on anyway. So in normal driving position, which is supposed to be center of the lane, that's how you normally drive. Now tell me, when there is a parked vehicle on the left hand side and there is another parked vehicle on the other side of the road, and there are two spaces for other two cars can pass, yeah, to flow. What is your driving position should be?
I think on the left side.
On the left side, isn't it? So if there is a center line, then you must not cross the center line.
Okay.
What we're doing is we're crossing all the time, saving a lot of gap on your left hand side because you don't want to hit them. I get it, but going extra room means you bothering the oncoming vehicle which is coming from there. So, and at one hand you are keeping us like trying to keep yourself safe, but on the other hand you're trying to get a collision. Do you understand?
Yes.
So you need to understand that you need to be in balance of both. Some areas, some places, if you think that the space is not enough for both the vehicles, or at least narrow, then you need to slow down as well. Now that's where the eco-safe driving comes in as well throughout the driving. So what I've been observing, that you're driving quite fast for the area. For example, you're not breaking the speed limit law, but for example on the internal street where you're supposed to drive at about 20, 21, we're driving 25, 27, at one occasion 30.
Which street?
Internal street, like built up area jahan ghar hote hain. So where there are houses and there is a parked vehicle, so you reach to 30. It's a 30 road anyway,
Okay.
but you can't do 30. You need to judge yourself that is it worth to do this 30? The answer is no. Then why? Okay. So you need to lower your speed down there. Okay, because any hazard can just come out from the roads, from parked vehicle. What are you gonna do? So you need to always take that understanding that when to start using my brake. So what I was watching that throughout the driving is you rushing like an ambush, or like you slamming on the brake. So then why we are rushing in the first place? And if you are, then you see that there's a bend there, yeah. So you know that you can't negotiate that bend more than 7, 8 or maximum 10 miles. Then why you driving even 15 or 20? Then you have to use brake. So if you are even driving, then at some point you need to take off the gas and start car naturally to slow down, and then use a bit of a brake if it's not there. Then.
Okay.
Okay. So the faults now, at the first one, where the very first one happened, it was 5 minutes and 20 seconds. We coming out of this estate building, and then you turning right.
Yes.
So we waited nicely before the line, and then you all of a sudden decided to move.
No, so yes. So
And then the right side was clear.
No, yeah, right side was clear. So I started moving because I thought it was okay to block the traffic, because
Correct.
otherwise I'll not be able to move.
Uh-huh.
And then when I saw space, I think then I
You moved.
on the right.
So the question is, you need to weigh the situation, that is it pull out is a safe or wait is a safe, because you think that is a busy road, but it's not actually. It looks like, because at some point you think that, oh, there are 20 cars are coming from the left, 40 from the left, but then it will get quiet for after that sometime.
Oh, I see.
Okay?
I see, okay.
So in my opinion, you did very nicely and safely. That's one of the minors, I would say.
Okay.
But it's wait that is better thing to do,
Oh,
because it's not that big road.
No.
Okay, and then if you pull out, then make sure that you pull out just generously, like started creeping in, peeping and peeping, peep and creep, and then wait for the left side to give you proper way. And now when somebody is giving you way, when they flash you, what that means?
They're alerting that they are there.
So that is the right that is the right answer according to the book.
Yes.
But in the UK, if somebody is flashing on you, that means they're offering you a way.
Yes.
It's not right way to do it,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
they are doing it.
Yeah.
We never do this in the test, but if somebody is doing to you, you have to understand that is offering me way, and now I have to take it.
Okay.
And if you stay there for another couple of seconds, it's not a
No,
idea.
I understand. It's
So
yes.
that's something you need to
Okay.
go. After that, you gone all the way up to that mini roundabout. Your driving position. So this is like from, if you start watching this recording, like from about 7:40, 50 second, 7 minute and 50 second, and all the way up to like 8 minute and 20 or 8 minute and 30 second. There are parked vehicle on the left, and you're going off the right. So you're going, you're giving clearance or so much, so that the oncoming vehicle is now need to slow down, or they have to push themselves as well,
Okay.
which is not needed. Okay,
So
but
this is major.
I can
Right.
say that, yeah, because there are a couple of cars they have to go away from us.
Okay.
The other one is a 14 minute and 28 seconds. This is where the apex corner, you think that the traffic light, you jumped there. Yes. You use the center lane, like second lane from the left, to go straight ahead, and you did manage to come out as well, right? I won't recommend that. Whenever you want to go straight ahead,
Always the
you
left.
always choose the left hand side.
But there were multiple
Lanes, yeah. So that's why I said you're going straight ahead. There is no marking on the floor. It says that left is only for the left. Yeah. So that means you can use the left lane to go straight.
Okay.
Now, why is that? Let me tell you that in the roundabout itself, your speed was nearly reaching at 20, and that roundabout is not meant to 20, especially when there are multiple lanes, as you mentioned, because you did nicely within your lane. At one point, you did cut the corner, but most of the time you was in your lane. Other people, they don't. They like to cut corners. Trust me, when you see it, out of 10 vehicles, maybe 2 or 3 vehicles are doing proper lane discipline. Most of them, they're cutting corners.
Okay.
Yeah, they're jumping on each other's lane. So that's why if you are in the left foremost lane, then you were most likely not going to go on their side of the road, or neither they're gonna come to you. And left is safe for you to continue as well.
Okay.
So so that's the main thing. And also the speed. So apex corner, do it 10 mile only. Anybody who's tried to do it more than 10 mile, they're like, out of 10 students, maybe 1 student have passed. They must have done
Also,
else.
that's what we call the apex
Apex
corner.
corner, yeah, that's the apex corner. Okay, and when we were coming in at about 15 minute, I have to brake for it. So that brake, you jumping the traffic light. Okay, and then you was too fast and no checks. So this is why another failure on that you touched the line. So your car was
My lane during the
apex corner. So you cross the line. So that means you sometimes you okay to cross the line, but you need to look before you do that. But you was aiming to come out from the roundabout. There is no checks you have made on the right and left. So that's why that
On
is
the roundabout.
use of mirror change direction is a problem there. Okay, and at that and at 16 minutes and 55 seconds, again, what is the position for the normal road driving? So that these things comes out so many times. Okay. Other than that, in general, the route was fine. Like you did very well. Okay, very good. It's just that more attention is needed when you are driving in an internal street. Pay attention on your driving positions and the appropriate speed. Okay. So I hope you understand this.
Yes.
And I'm going to upload this later on, so you can watch them again. Okay. So if you by watching again and again this video, gonna make you help to judge the junctions and their layouts. That will help you on your test as well. Okay. Wish you all the best.